India. Sorry. Hi guys, we are Cowboys. Today special Japanese chicken with chapati. Please welcome to our village.
Fast note what good boda.
We took 2 kg chicken for today cooking. Okay guys, let's prepare the masala to marinate the chicken.
2 cup of maida powder. 3 cup corn flour.
2 tablespoon black pepper powder.
Adding salt as needed.
Okay, now mix the chicken with masala.
Okay.
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 Do not add water for now. Let's mix the masala with the chicken. Chicken will extract some water, so it will enough for the masala to marinate. If needed, we can add small amount of water to the chicken. Bro, add some water, bro. Adding some water to the masala mix. Otherwise, the masala will be very dry. So, just put some water to mix the masala with the chicken.
Chicken ready for marinade. We'll fry after 30 minutes.
30 minutes enough. Hey dude, what are you doing?
Peeling the garlic skin.
Oh,
உனக்கு என்னடா பீலிங்? எனக்கு தான்டா பீலிங்.
அது feeling இல்ல peeling.
பீலிங். ஓ, பீலிங்.
spelling ஓட சொல்லி கொடுங்க.
தெரியாது.
Feeling.
Dude, make it fast. We are expecting rain today.
Okay.
What? Okay. Do it fast, man. Hey.
கேக்குறான்.
Chopping the garlic into small pieces.
We are studied from Murachondri, Tokopalli. So please adjust our English flow. அதானடா?
அதுதான்.
அவ்வளோதான்.
Why are you speaking?
Hey dude, look at there. That roaster, how beautiful it is drinking a water. Also the can. We'll cook it next week. We'll cook the roaster next week. That will be very tasty. Master, why are you so sad? Gone is gone, let it go. போனால் போகட்டும் போடா.
சரி நான் அடுப்பு வைக்கிறேன்.
Okay, let's fire the stove. It is very meaningful song, no? Kannadasan written very well.
Chicken marinated very well. We'll fry in oil.
Super master.
Adding sunflower oil.
Slowly pour the oil.
Oil heated now. Let's fry the chicken. Hey dude, take the chicken.
Hey chicken, go. Hey chicken, go.
Hey loser, bring the chicken. லூசுக்கு பயப்படுவா.
கைக்கு வருவாரா?
Take rice.
Chicken has fried. Let's prepare the Japanese chicken.
Fresh milk butter.
Adding butter.
Garlic.
Add garlic. Fry.
Okay. Let's try until the garlic is cooked. Now the garlic is cooked in a golden color. So let's see. Yeah. Now add the green chili.
Green chili.
Make sure to add right amount of green chili. Otherwise it will be so spicy.
Fried chicken.
With the garlic and chili fry. So,
Fresh cow milk.
adding a half liter of milk to the chicken. It's a fresh milk. They do slowly put here. It's spread everywhere.
Adding salt as needed.
Cashew nut powder.
Cashew nut powder. Guys, today we tried Japan chicken. It's a special dish from Japan, from Indian colleague. Hi guys, finally நம்மளோட Japan chicken is ready now. The taste is very nice, and especially the milk and the cashew nut powder gives you more flavor and gravy to the taste. Finally, the taste is no. Please try your home and comment your feedback as well. Thank you.
எல்லாமே நல்லா